everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I try to do the 90 FPS gameplay test in the Realme X7 Max playing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. Yes friends, I'm going to play this game in the 90 FPS when the battery percentage is below 15%. Yes, so right now as you can see friends, the battery percentage is kind of close to 14% exactly. As you can see, let's see how is the gameplay when you try to play at 90 FPS below 15%. Is it going to affect the temperatures or not? Is it going to affect any kind of FPS drop or not? That is what I'm going to test in this entire video. So let me try to exactly show you what are the settings I'm trying to use during this time of demonstration. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use exactly 90 FPS only completely, and even I did enable the 90 FPS as you can see exactly by using my trick. If you want, you can check those videos as well. So let's get started friends with the gaming. Let's see how is the temperatures in the beginning. So right now the temperatures are pretty normal. It's up close 34 degrees, 34.8 degrees. Let's see how much time the phone can actually play the BGMI game when the battery percentage is below 15%. That is what I'm going to check. So as you can see, 34 degrees, not bad at all. And let me try to show you exactly the brightness. I'm trying to keep it around 70% of the brightness. That should be fine. So every time I used to play only the 70% of the brightness during this time of demonstration. Let's see friends. So this is my first time playing this BGMI game using the Realme sleeves. So just today I did receive the Realme sleeves and the name started to go away from here. I'm not sure why, but I just want to say this. And right now I'm getting the 90 FPS consistently without any kind of issues. As you can see, 90 FPS, it's working perfectly alright in this phone, so no problem. So you can see this kind of 120Hz. 120Hz is a refresh rate, so whenever I get the 90 FPS, that will remain around exactly 120 every time. So it's really smooth friends playing at the 90 FPS. It was really good playing at the 90 FPS. So I don't have any kind of issues playing at the 90, but only regarding the temperatures. The temperature will increase a lot and the battery will also drain a lot if you're trying to play at 90 FPS. That's absolutely. So let's see how much the battery backup we can actually expect in this phone. So below 15% I'm trying to play. It's a really intense kind of testing only friends. So very intense, and I'm getting constant 90 FPS, and right now the battery dropped to 13% as you can see. 13% playing at 90 FPS. Until now I did not notice any kind of lag below 15%, not it. It is just normal team deathmatch I'm trying to play at this moment. So no problem at all in terms of the frame drop. There's no frame drops right now. I did not notice any kind of lag or delay at this moment, and I can definitely feel the heat is coming from the back side of this phone. 36.8 degrees, not bad. 36.8, 36.6, and the front side is off for 37.4, the highest. As you can see, 37.4 is the highest temperatures on the front side. It's really very smooth friends playing at the 90. It looks really great. So it was really good experience playing the 90 FPS in the Realme X7 Max particular, because I did like this kind of finish on this phone, which is really helpful for the gamers mostly. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts about the 90 FPS? Are you able to play it or not in your phone? That is what I just want to know. So if you cannot play the 90 FPS, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely do another video tomorrow. So in explaining how you can actually get the 90 FPS, I'll definitely do another video on that particular topic in case if you're interested in that topic. So till now 5 minutes of time. Right now as you can see, it's kind of close to 5 minutes exactly, and still at 12%. Not bad at all. Right now we are kind of close to 7 minutes of continuously playing the game at 90 FPS below 15%. I just want to see will there be any kind of delay or lag or drop in the frames. That is the reason I am trying to do this kind of testing. So let's check the temperatures, how much it is. 37.4 is the highest before. Right now it's 38.6 as you can see, friends. So 38.6 is the highest temperature recorded. So I just want to see how much the highest will be there. So whenever the battery gets below 15%, most of the phones they'll try to get heat. So a lot of temperature they'll try to deaden. That is the reason I thought of making this video. So it looks really great using this kind of sleeves and playing the game. This is my first time, as I said, playing the game. It looks really smooth. Not bad. Still I did not see any kind of frame drops at all. So friends, we are getting kind of close to on 10 minutes as well. Right now the temperatures are close to 39 degrees. So within the 10 minutes of time, it increased to 39 degrees. As you can see, even 39 degrees, 39.4 is the highest. So definitely using the 90 FPS, it's a lot of bringing a lot of weight on the phone, I would say. So in terms of the temperatures and the battery. Now let's play the normal classic match and let's see what will happen. And the frame rates are remaining exactly around 90 FPS only during this time of demonstration. Completely. Without any issues, I was able to get the 90 FPS in this phone. So absolutely. Let's see, friends, how much right now the battery dropped to 9%. As you can see exactly. So 9% the battery got dropped. So we started the test around close to 15%, I think 14%. And within 10 minutes, the battery dropped to, just now I did notice some kind of lag when I'm trying to jump just now. So it decreased by 5% in 10 minutes of time. In just 10 minutes, 5% got decreased, friends, 5%. So that is the reason. So if you try to play with the 90 FPS gaming, so this phone can last, I think, close to 3 to 4 hours only. That's it. In the 90 FPS, 3 to 4 hours. That is the one thing which you should always remember. And right now the battery percentage is of close to 9% only during this time. Let me do the FPS test when I'm trying to jump exactly. I'll try to show you what is the FPS I'm trying to get in this moment. That is what I'm trying to show you. And temperatures are remaining exactly close. 39.6 is the highest. 39.6, as you can see, friends. I think this might reach close to 40 degrees as well very soon. Let's see. Let me try to jump and let's see what will happen. I just want to show you the FPS drop, how much it will be there during the drop. So you need to touch the phone, friends, every time to get the 90 FPS. If you try to leave the finger for some time, then definitely it will go back to the normal 60 Hz. Right now FPS dropped 78. It dropped up to 78. It's kind of really interesting. Not bad. 78 it dropped. 78 is the lowest one which we did see at this point. So this is the lowest one, friends, so far. 78, that's it. Right now friends, I was able to play for the next 20 minutes and the battery is dropping a lot when I'm trying to see right now. So battery is dropping a lot, and right now the battery percentage is of close to 6%, as you can see friends. So this is for the first 20 minutes of playing, and let's take the temperature, how much it is for the 20 minutes. 40.4 degrees, as you can see friends. 40.4, 40.6 degrees. That's kind of 40.6. So this with the 90 FPS gaming friends, 90 FPS non-stop. So 90 FPS continuously I'm trying to play. So this is below 15% of the battery. I'm just trying to see, but I cannot see any kind of frame drop during this time of testing. There is no nothing. There's no lag or delay. I did not notice any kind of lag. During this time, there's not much lag. Let me try to show you the temperatures. It's kind of a really tough match. This is my first time I'm playing this much concentrated. So without much talking, let me try to after this match I'll try to explain statistics as well, how it's going on. Yes. So now let's check the temperatures friends. Right now the temperature is 40.2 degrees. 40.4 is the highest temperature, as you can see. 40.6 is the highest. Oh my god, that's 40.6. So for the first 20 minutes of playing with a 90 FPS gaming friends, 90 FPS continuously, and the battery dropped to 5%. I started from the, I think 14%. So this is a test which I thought of doing below 15% only. As I said, I just want to see so whether the game will feel any kind of lag or not when the battery percentage is really low. That is the main reason why I started to do this kind of testing, mainly on this Realme X7 Max, because the phone supports the 90 FPS. So it's a really good time to test this kind of intense kind of testing. So right now it's 5% only. Let's see. So now the time is 20 minutes exactly. And still I was able to get that kind of FPS continuously without any kind of issues in the Realme X7 Max, no problem. Not bad, so there's not much lag delay I can notice at this point. So I was able to get really good frames, and right now the battery percentage is of 4%. Not bad at all. 4% is the battery. So let's see friends how much more time the phone will be able to keep up. So right now we're getting close to 25 minutes as well. So right now the battery percentage decreased to 3% as well. So right now the battery percentage is 3%, as you can see friends. 3% is the battery percentage during this time of testing. So let me to finish this match and then I'll try to show you exactly. Yep, the match is finished. So 2% warning we did get. 40.8 is a temperature, as you can see, 40.8. As you can see friends, 40.8 degrees is the highest recorded temperature so far. So during this time of testing using the 90 FPS and playing the game below 15% of the battery. As you can see right now it's kind of 2%, but still the game doesn't feel any kind of lag. Yeah, still the game is really smooth while playing. Even at this moment I can definitely do the drop test as well, and the battery percentage is 2%, just to see how much the frames are getting. That will be a really good test in this phone. Let's see. So I cannot even notice friends, the battery is kind of 2%. I cannot even notice the difference while I'm trying to play the game. So it looks completely smooth, no problem. As you can see the FPS count, I'm trying to touch the screen always when I'm trying to show you the FPS, because otherwise it will definitely disappear, and there is no 4D vibration option at all. So tomorrow I'll try to do another video as well on the 90 FPS, because a lot of users are actually facing the issues. They are unable to play the 90 FPS gaming. So definitely I'll try to do a video on that particular topic as soon as possible. So if possible tomorrow I can definitely do that video for you all. But overall feels kind of good. Let's see, where shall I drop raw? I'll try to drop in the Pochinki only, just to see any kind of drops, any kind of frames will be dropping or not. That's what I'm going to test. So till now it looks kind of really good. Let's see what will happen when I'm trying to drop exactly. Now I can feel some kind of lag gonna happen. Yes, the phone switched off completely. The phone switched off friends, as you can see. So overall the phone stood around I think 27 minutes of time below 15%. Yes, 27 minutes of time we can actually play the game continuously. And let's check the temperatures backside when the phone is completely in switch off. 36 minutes, 38 degrees, and the backside is off 39.4 degrees. As you can see, 39.4 degrees, not bad at all. 39.4. So overall the highest temperature the phone recorded is about 40.8 degrees is the highest one. This is using the 90 FPS gaming test, only the 90 FPS. So I just thought of doing this kind of video recording before below 15%, just to let you know the game is not lagging at all, even if you try to play below 5% as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates in the future. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye. One more thing, the battery is draining. For example, I think 14% came about 28 minutes. So for every 2 minutes 1% of the battery is draining for every 2 minutes if you try to play at 90 FPS. Yes, that's the statistics results which I got it. So thank you for watching friends, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.